Engaging in profitable economic activities to counter poverty is a challenge economists and planners have been grappling with in India. At the same time, meeting rising consumer demand for organic products is a major concern in North America and Europe. Not a magic wand though, but an aqua-agricultural solution holds a mutually advantageous solution for both issues. This story of Indo-US collaboration comes from the very tip of the Indian peninsula, some 120 kilometers southeast of Madurai. This is the sacred island of Rameshwaram. And not too far from this location is the village Manikadu, where this story finds a home. Abhiram Seth, founder of Acqui-Agri Processing Private Limited, with their factory located at Manamadurai in Tamil Nadu, in association with Ganesh Vishwanath of Glowbridge Ventures Limited Liability Company of California, has made a head start at this coastal village in Tamil Nadu. With men doing the seabed jobs in the Bay of Bengal here and women engaged in shore-based activities, this group of women from Manikadu village have just harvested the red algae called Capophycus alvarezi. While cultivating this marine macroalgae puts cash into this coastal fishing village, the engagement provides US farmers cost-effective organic certified productivity enhancers for crop production. Acqui-Agri has developed a sustainable cultivation model to grow and harvest these natural sea plants. Kanita Begum, Mehbooba, Khawwa Biwi, Zainul and Noor Shifaya are engaged in seaweed cultivation here. Planting some 60 kilograms of seaweeds, each cultivator is able to harvest about 260 kgs of seaweed. With 200 kgs sold to Acqui-Agri, it makes for a far steadier income than small-scale fishing. Interestingly, the seaweed farmers do not have to put any external nutrients to enhance growth. Capophycus grows by absorbing nutrients present in seawater. And despite growing in seawater, it has limited sodium content and is rich in potassium.
And today, I can confidently say that each one of them, working 4 to 5 hours in a day, is able to earn close to 10,000 rupees a month. It is really a game changer as far as their lives are concerned.
At the Acqui-Agri factory at Manamadurai, the seaweeds are turned into organic biostimulant, SAP, which help enhance crop productivity. Derived from red algae, these organic biostimulant products are marketed in the United States under the brand name of AquaSap. Rich in potash and other primary and secondary nutrients, AquaSap contains substantial amounts of plant growth regulators and are rich in amino acids, which is what makes it specially effective for improved seed germination, strong root system, natural soil conditioning, and improved yield. The United States India Science and Technology Endowment Fund grant has enabled Acqui-Agri to attain approvals and complete the registration process in the United States. The product has been registered with the California Department of Food and Agriculture, CDFA, Organic Material Review Institute, and Washington State Department of Food and Agriculture. As a result, these Made in India products now sell in the states of California, New Mexico, Idaho, South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, and Colorado.